Hey guys, so this is just a little review account of my trading experience. I am a complete noob at trading, well, pretty much. I've researched, but I am a noob. So this is coming from a noob's point of view. We are using a indicator, and I know they say, "Oh, indicator's not going to tell you everything," and all this, but I don't know. I'm new. We'll see what happens with this indicator. It is a paid-for indicator by BW Trading. I've done some research. I mean, they seem pretty good. They don't push it in your face. They're not bothered whether you buy or not. It's just kind of like a helping hand, maybe. They do sell an EA for like 800 quid, um, but I've decided to just go with the indicator on TradingView for £50 a month, and we will see how we get on. So they do put set files for the EA in their Discord. Obviously, I'm not subscribed to that one. The £800 is a lifetime for the EA. But I've just gone for the indicator on TradingView, which is £50 a month. They say they put set files in there for the indicator. I think they care more about the EA rather than the indicator, which is obviously fair enough. But obviously, I don't really want to be forking out £800 without knowing really what it's about. So we've just gone for the indicator for now. I don't mind taking the trades myself, or even setting up a little alert system to my like a little robot to take the trades. But yeah, completely new at trading. So we're going to be testing out this. They do like I said, they do set files, and they said, oh, you can use set files, but it doesn't seem that clear with the indicator what set files to use. They have a few settings going on, but they don't seem to be performing that well on the back testing data, and it hasn't been updated that recently. So I've done my own set files, and we'll see what happens. We've gone for 5-minute charts on GBP, JPY, UK time only. I'm just going to be trading this, and we will see what happens. So I started on the Friday. Luckily, didn't take this trade because I was still signing up. So we took this trade here, and I thought I'd wait till the Monday. Sorry, it's Saturday today. But I thought, well, I might as well take the first trade. We've started now. I've got the prop firm account, so we're going to be doing a 10k prop firm account. So we entered this trade, went into profit, came down here, and then I closed it for the weekend. You can hold trades over the weekend, but I just wanted to close for the weekend just to be safe. Obviously, if it goes, I'm not sure on the fees or whatever when you hold over the weekend, so I literally closed it just before 10 o'clock on the Friday. Yeah, like I said, we're doing a NeomAAA, or however you say it, 10k two-step challenge. You only need 6% profit, which is really good, and I think it's a 10% drawdown. Yeah, pretty good rules, I'd say. Prop Firm Kid, if you've heard of him, recommended this one. He's had a few payouts, so I've never passed a challenge before. I've taken one before. I passed phase 1 and then lost at phase 2. That was with FXify, but I read the rules. I must not have read the rules, or they must have changed the rules, and I wasn't happy with them. Some of these had these consistency rules, which I really don't like. But then again, I haven't been funded yet, so I can't really complain. So yeah, like I said, we'll be using our own set file on this. So this is the backtesting data on this little set file. I'm not going to show all the settings and stuff because I'm not sure what I'm allowed to show, because obviously this is a paid indicator. I don't want to give anything away. But it was backtested over longer date, but it's now updated because I only have the essential plan. So I'm trying to cheap this out and just see what you can do with a little bit of money. So I probably spent just over £100 on all of this. So far, obviously, monthly. I got paid for the indicator monthly and TradingView monthly, but we will see what happens. We'll see what happens in a month. So yeah, so far up 1% on the account, which is good. We need another 5%. You need to do at least 4 profitable trading days, so you can't just whack out 3 trades at 2 to 1 and win if you're risking 1%. So that's what I'm doing, risking 1%. We got a little 2 to 1 going, and we will see what happens. So this is the back test. He does say in the Discord trying to do 2 months trade back testing. I've done a month and a half because I can't do any more in the 5-minute time frame. But this is kind of the best thing I came across. I thought it was pretty good, and we're just going to go with this and see what happens. If it starts performing badly, I mean, I'll lose the account, but maybe we'll try again. I'm trying to do some other back tests on other ones, but I thought this was the best looking one, I think. Ignore this, I'm not too sure. I mean, it says at 17%. I think I've set up the settings right, but I'm not too sure because you can't really say, oh, I'll take 1% of a 10k account on TradingView. It's a bit rubbish. So I kind of been looking at profitable trades, and the profit factor, obviously a 55% at 2 to 1 is really good. And yeah, this is back tested till what does it say? July, mid-July. It's now September. So yeah, like I said, month and a half back test, and we will see what happens. I'll try to do a daily update, if not a weekly update, on how we're getting on. And if I breach, then I might do another challenge. But we'll see. We'll see. But we'll go from there. But yeah, this is just a little diary of how this works and what happens, and maybe you guys can get the indicator if it performs well. Who knows? But yeah, BW trading, the indicators buys, no ad or anything. Obviously, I'm a new YouTuber. But yeah, we'll see what this performs like, and we'll go from there. So we'll probably see you next week, since this is a Saturday, so having the weekend off. So yeah.